What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man. Back with a POV, as y'all can see. And also, as y'all can see, man, we got that drag pack on. You feel me? So you know what kind of video this finna be. But anyway, man, it's been a minute since I did this. It feel kind of funny, ain't not gonna lie. But make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. POV drive me on this nice sunny day. You feel me? With the drag pack on. Y'all let me know how she looking. Oh yeah. Let me know how she looking, man. We finna get in the whip though. Yeah, car crew, we back. I don't know what happened. Somebody have a wreck. Oh man. Dang. That's crazy. Ooh, Lord, cute bitch in there, man. I was wasn't expecting to see that, but yeah, car crew. We on a drag pad with it. We in street mode, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Stick 'em. Do have traction in track, so it's probably a little different. Windy. It ain't windy, but like we're driving with the window down, it sound windy. Crazy. Man, that sun shining in my eye. I'm just letting y'all listen to the car, man. This sounds slight, man. I don't really got too much to talk about. I mean, I should, right? Or wrong. I don't think y'all care to hear me talk anyway, but I think I should have something. You know what I'm saying? Talk about. Okay, it been a minute. But I don't really know what to say for real. I gotta cover this sun. This sunroof beaming, boy. I hear them pops. That boy hear them crackles. Am my camera dirty, bro? Or am I tripping? I might be tripping it. Car Beats might be tripping, huh? Oh. But yeah, man, what y'all boy been on, man? You know what I'm saying? Can drop a comment down below, you know what I'm saying? Where you at? You know what I'm saying? What state you in, nigga? Where you come from, little nigga? Hey, I really should kept going, shouldn't I? Oh, them boy don't want to go. Them boys don't want to go nowhere. Stick 'em. Just feel weird when that radio get to spinning. I know they sticking out. Dang, boy, I had to realize what the camera was doing. My bad. It's so bright outside. What's going on? I mean, it's a good thing that it's bright outside, but I ain't supposed to look like that. Man. that suspension in street, bro. That mother feel crazy. Come on, a race. Why you driving so fast, nigga? That nigga from Oklahoma. Thank cuz in the service. Man. I think that's what he had on. I ain't really look at him too much. Oh. I ain't cuz. Why you cutting in front of me for, cuz? I ain't did nothing to you, cuz. Oh, yeah, cuz from the service. He on that. He look blowed, too. I know how it be, bro. I know how it be. Come on, gang. Ain't nobody in front of you. Bro, folk like y'all be blowing me. Folk like y'all be blowing me, bro. The blind spot and challenge is crazy. You got a triple check. You be driving these, boy. Mother lift up like a hawk. Mother lift up like a hawk, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, my arm low-key tired, bro, holding the camera. That crazy. No, I ain't did this in a minute. Oh, boy. Yeah, man. Got that pack on, man. I know this video probably not as entertaining, because I'm not talking that much, but y'all be acting like y'all want me to talk anyway. So I'm just letting y'all boy hit a car. When I can, anyway, you know what I'm saying? And I need gas, boy. I had 50 miles to eat when I got in. I got 35. Ooh. I heard that mother pop, huh? This kids playing at the playground at Burger King. I ain't seen that in so long. They parents must be old fashioned, but I ain't seen that in a minute. Or they just bad and they trying to make them tired. Why don't little niggas in their school? Never mind. Them boy probably homeschool, man. Listen to him. That's your ass. I'm like, that definitely him. I was like, that ain't me. That ain't my brakes. I was like, that ain't me. You stopping at the same time I let out my brakes, still making a noise, so yeah. I had to just make sure, but I just looked at these brakes. Oh, man. That's a nice day, cuz, but it's a nice day, man, but ain't really nothing going on for real, car crew. I feel like I'm just holding the camera. I'm just doing something. I don't know what I'm doing, just doing something. Man, I know what I'm doing, but you know what I'm saying? But still, it's just like one of them vibes, like, we just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all boy hit the car a little bit, talk a little bit. Don't overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just let me know how y'all be wanting the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to, like, entertain y'all, boy. It's for me, but at the same time, bro, you know what I'm saying? We can, you know what I'm saying? We can agree on some stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Get some stuff rolling, bro. Everybody like, man. Man. My brother versatile with it. Y'all boy just gotta, you feel me? Boys, you gotta let a nigga know something. If I don't know something, I just don't know nothing. That must be pulling so, like, even without you hitting, like, putting the throttle all the way down, just when you shifting and holding it, whatever you got the throttle at, that must still just pull forward, like, and this in street, bro. I can only imagine what that sport, like, that sport crazy. I can't ride a sport all the time, I ain't gonna lie. I don't see how nigga be doing it. It probably a little different than the 23. You know, 23 is a little bit eco-friendly. But boy, I don't know. You don't even know what it down to the fur. I'm gonna just go to fur. No noise. But yeah, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. Just wanted to catch a little car vlog with y'all boy, man, while I take care of little Benny, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? And also, then, like I also said at the end of my video, man, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do, bro. Keep him in the mix of everything that you do, gang. You know what I'm saying? And keep him first as much as you can and get better at it, you know what I'm saying? I'm speaking to myself when I say this to y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? It ain't just me talking to y'all, acting like I'm building to y'all. I'm speaking for the both of us, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys, you feel me? Keep that focus, man. Stay prayed up, stay safe. You know what I'm saying? But like I also said in all of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.